to decide on this. And we
I'm busy now.
Yeah. We'll give you.
I knew I would go to them.
We'll show you on the TV.
Ito sa inyo, ito yung club lang.
Right. Come inside.
Suzo. We couldn't arrange for a bigger check, you know that bigger.
Most of the people in the Northern Division also need assistance, especially those from Walu, right up to Sausabu, Tabiuni, and we went to that. And we'd like to thank the organization on behalf of the Prime Minister, on behalf of government for coming on board. You've heard the cry of the people and the call of the nation to come and donate and help them. We firmly believe that a lot of people in the Northern Division will greatly benefit from it.
Today we have given $25,000 to the Prime Minister's Cyclone Relief Fund, especially that Cyclone Winston has come and struck all of us. And we are very proud to share that $25,000 to help the people of our nation. And every time a disaster will come, we will make sure that we are there to help the people out.
In fact, Mr. Vinesh is giving $10,000 donation towards relief assistance for those affected in TC Winston. And the management are here to come and donate the money to go towards the Prime Minister's relief account. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the management of North Pole for your generous and donations during this needy time that we are facing in Fiji. And I hope that the donation will really benefit those who badly need this during this time of crisis. Thank you very much, North Pole. Come, just wait here. Just make the receipt and give the receipt. Give the receipt. I'm attending. Let's add some other people here.
Seen the situation of Fiji and affected by Cyclone Winston, there has been a lot of families who have been needing the assistance. So we have not been that much affected in Labasa. So North Pole Group has decided to give the assistance and provide to all the needy ones.
Update tak mo pernah donation ke buat? Ini tahu, lo tahu ya? Access.
And we are from BENAU Youth Club. We would like to give this opportunity, give these staffs to the people affected in Cyclone Winston. And our belief is that they'll at least they'll survive by these staff somehow or the other.